무한리필.
That's all you can eat for me. Dude, I'm starving. I don't know if I can control myself.
There's like 오 뭐야? There's 9 menus.
Okay.
Like pork, ribs, and like beef entails, 닭갈비, and you can order one by one.
Alright, what's up everyone? I'm gonna show you what's better than sushi, okay? I had a lot of you guys tell me that you like sushi better than sangyeop, but you don't know anything, and now I have to show you, okay? You go sangyeop, okay? This is pork belly, okay? Everyone knows what pork belly is, but Korean pork belly is a little bit different. The quality here is gonna be way better than anything you get in America, okay? So you put it on the grill, okay? So we're gonna let it sit, okay? Jonas, how do you feel about samgyeopsal?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
It's one of the best Korean foods for me, at least.
Yeah, it's a good reason to come here, okay? And then after that, I will show you how you eat this. Right now, I'm the grill master, which is an absolute disgrace.
It's an honor.
It's an honor, okay. Okay, so now that it's like a little brown on both sides, I'm gonna try cutting it in pieces. Okay, that's too big, but it's fine. Don't judge me.
That's one for me.
Yeah, that's the one for Jonas. For all my non-Korean friends, they give you different types of dipping things, right? This is standard. What is this called, Alex?
쌈장.
Samjang. Salt. And then they give you salt, you know, and this is, I think, curry powder, right? Yeah, so the dip, typically, you take your piece of meat, and you can dip it a little bit of salt, and then you take one of these crunchy pieces of lettuce. It's usually cold, right? And it contrasts the hot juiciness of the meat. Put it in there like a little bed. Put it to sleep. Tuck it in. Get some sauce. You get some of this stuff. Some of these.
What's that called again?
These are leaves.
파채.
And you close it up like a little sandwich.
Wow.
Always important, one bite. Don't take
One
two.
bite, because then it'll fall everywhere.
Yeah.
And last step is you thank the Lord for bringing samgyeopsal to this land, because everyone knows it's the amazing thing. It's so amazing. There's nothing better.
Amazing.
Your recipe.
My recipe? Well, I'm pretty much copying Alex. I'll just take a piece of samgyeopsal. I like to put a little more of the sauce. Give it a good taste. With the secret herbs. But I like this one as well. Put it in your mouth.
Wow.
Look at this.
Bold. Alex. 생갈비. 옛날 생갈비. 돼지갈비.
Careful.
Nice.
ASMR.
Ah, yeah. I don't get ASMR.
Yeah, me neither. Cheers.
이거 아마 미국 입맛하고 독일 입맛 잘 어울릴 것 같아. 이거
Warte.
알렉스,
왜
한국 삼겹살 먹어본 적 있어요?
물론이지. 매주 먹어.
미국에 비슷한 거 있어요?
있는데 그런 삼겹살 없어. What's quality? 품질이?
품질.
여기 품질이 훨씬 더 좋아.
Is there anything similar in Germany?
I mean, we do barbecue at home mostly, but never in restaurants or something. We just have our grill in our backyard, in our garden, and then we grill some steaks or some sausages. We don't have meat like sangyeop in Germany. It's not that fat, it's mostly just steaks or sausage.
네, 먹어.
Jonas in Asia.
Yes, that's me.
Which countries have you been since so far?
Well, the Asian countries I've been to is Korea, Japan, and China, and Hong Kong.
Give me three best foods that you have tried ever since.
Ooh, I mean,
Honestly.
Samgyeopsal is right up there, to be honest. Like, if I can group it as like all the barbecue stuff, like Samgyeopsal, galbi, that's for sure like one of them. The sushi in Japan is also like probably top two or the first. Let's get one from China. Like China, I mostly ate dumplings. I think in China you have all the different provinces. They all serve different dumplings. So I always enjoyed like trying all the different types of dumplings there. Also really, really, really good.
Okay, so we're strong German men.
We don't look strong, but we are.
Yeah, we don't look
You
strong.
suddenly became German instead of American?
Well, I am German. I mean, I'm half German.
You're half German.
Sollen wir einfach Deutsch reden?
Yeah,
Ich kann gar nicht verstehen, wenn wir Deutsch sprechen.
yeah,
Oh, can you guys speak German conversation?
of course.
Sag mal etwas.
Danke.
Irgendwas.
Ja, ich bin freue mich schon riesig auf das Samgyeopsal gleich.
Ja, ich auch.
Kostet das wirklich super.
Und danach spielen wir Fußball.
Dann spielen wir Fußball, ja.
Hast du alles verstehen?
Ich lerne Deutsch.
Sehr gut.
Mir geht es gut.
Perfect. 우리 한국인 구독자에게 말씀하겠습니다. 저는 푸는 거 잘 못해가지고 please don't judge me. Please be nice. 근데 I will try my best.